Greetings, beautiful beings, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am all done up, but you're going to watch me get ready on my last day here in my resort. So stay tuned, follow for more, subscribe, like, social media will be down below. I know it's been a while since I have been on the YouTubes, but I'm back, baby. Play the video. Hello, it is time to start my makeup. I've already put my hair up in curlers. I'm gonna let them sit and we're just gonna begin. I have all of my makeup in front of me. This is gonna be like a very, I mean, I have all of my makeup, but I'm on vacation, so it's gonna be a little bit different than what I normally do. I'm gonna start with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in shade Fair Warm. And I'm just going to do spot treatments like under my eyes. The eyelid for me always gets a little bit red, so I like to cancel that out with some concealer. And anywhere else that I feel needs a little bit. By the way, if you hear anything in the background or anything like that, my fiance is taking a shower. Now we're going in with, this is a contour and highlighting stick from Shein actually. I just ordered some makeup off of Shein with some clothes that I got for this trip. And I'm pretty satisfied with it, not gonna lie. So I do a little bit on my nose. It's gonna be hard because I don't want to get like it in my hair, but I do a little bit, you know, on the cheekbones. And I learned this trick. So you do it on your cheekbones, right? And then you do it from your eyebrow, like high point of the outside of your eye, up to your temple. And it contours this area and this area, so the only place that stands out is your cheekbone. I've been doing it and it honestly works so well. And then I'm just gonna do a little bit in my forehead. Always blending up and out. I like to bring my nose contour up towards my eyebrow, just to kind of raise up that area. Okay, then I'm gonna go back in with my concealer and just do the high points of my nose. Ta-da! Okay, now I'm gonna go in with a blush stick. This is also from Shein, but I really like it. I love the packaging. It's just so sleek. I'm gonna just dab it on the high points of my cheekbones. To be honest, whenever I put on blush, I feel like it never looks like natural. But I know that like if I do concealer and highlight and like, I don't really wear foundation, but like, you know, contour also, like if I don't do blush, it just doesn't look put together enough. That's the skin. I'm just gonna set with this e.l.f. HD powder, some under eyes. I'm gonna use very sparingly, especially like on this vacation, just because it's been so hot. I don't want to wear like a whole lot of makeup, you know. So I've been doing very simple things. We're going to do. Forgot to highlight. After that, we'll do the eyebrows. The other side of this contour stick is the highlighter stick, and it doesn't really have like color. It's just kind of this sheer, like sparkly, translucent type situation. And oh my gosh, well, that's disappointing. I literally forgot to put on face primer. This is really good though. This is the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer, and I really like it. I am upset that I forgot to put it on, but the show must go on and I'm not gonna restart just for that. So I'm gonna add, what I was going to do is I'm gonna add this Future Dew by Glossier, just a little bit more into the high points of my face. It's because I really like the shimmer and feeling sparkly today, feeling shiny like my ring. Oh, insane. I like to put this also like on my lid because it just adds like a little bit extra shimmery shine. I'm also gonna be using like just a shimmery liquid eyeshadow today. And then whatever is left on my hand in the future too, I like to put it across my collarbone. Just like that. Okay, eyebrow time. So this is the CoverGirl eyelining brow pencil in soft brown, and I'm just going to do my eyebrows how I would normally do them. I know nothing is zoomed in for this video. It's very just like, not impromptu, but very casual. So I'm just going to do them all the way down here. So don't mind me. Alrighty, eyebrows are freaking done. And now we're going to do like a step that's not even makeup related. I don't even know why I'm like including this, but I'm just putting on deodorant because I just got really sweaty from doing my eyebrows. If anyone's wondering, I use the Native deodorant. This is a travel size and it's coconut vanilla. I love the smell. I have the cucumber mint one at home because I couldn't find the coconut vanilla in like a larger size. So I just have to use up that, but I've been really loving like vanilla lately. Alrighty, so I did that pencil. Now we're gonna go in with the e.l.f. Wow Brow in brunette. And we're just gonna gel the brows. So while I'm filming this, it is our last day here at our resort. The proposal happened yesterday. Woo! I don't know when this video will be up in like correlation to an announcement video. There will definitely be something. I think I will have this video come up after, definitely when I come back, because I didn't bring my laptop obviously. But if you haven't seen whatever video I posted before this announcing everything, probably talking about it and answering some questions, I'll leave a thing somewhere on the screen. I'm sure myself in the beginning when I'm all done will go through the rundown. What am I doing next? What am I doing next? Eyes. So my mom gave me this eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow, and I've never tried a liquid eyeshadow before, but I freaking love it. And this is such a beautiful shade. I don't know where she got it from though. It says the brand Unique, and it's Moonstruck liquid eyeshadow. You can't see that, can you? There you go. It looks like that. Oh yeah. Go. And we're gonna do it on the eyes. So I've been doing this just all over my lid, and I just swipe it all on, put it a little bit in my crease, and I'll show you the look I've been doing. I think it's just so pretty and it's simple. It's not too much for like moving around and doing stuff, because when I'm on vacation I feel like, you know, I don't want to worry about my makeup being super like heavy on my face. I'm very sensory oriented, so I like to do everything simple, light. I'm going to take a fluffy brush and just fluff out the edges just very smoothly. It just helps to create like not such a harsh line with the liquid. So funny story, I think it's so cute, but last night at dinner, so he proposed like earlier in the day and then we went to dinner at our resort, but while we were eating we saw another proposal at the restaurant. It was so cute and I was like, oh, girl, me too. Congrats. It was so adorable. I couldn't have asked or wanted my proposal to go any differently. I loved it so much, and I'm sure there will be a video explaining what happened, so if you want to see that, go and check it out. Okay, so now I just hopped right into the next step, but now I'm taking this palette that is also from Shein. I'm very, very impressed with the pigment and the like quality of this eyeshadow. It was only like $5. I'll try and find the link to it and leave it down below. But I'm basically taking, okay, so it is the Shein Smart Cookie palette, and I am taking this like warm copper color right here called Ginger Snap, and I'm just putting it in my crease, focusing it on the outside, and then also putting it a little bit on the or not the inside, the lower lash, like this. Then I'm gonna take one of these top shades right here. I like to do this first cool toned nude, and I'm just gonna use that to like, oh goodness, that was a little bit too much. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna use this to blend out the top. Okay, now let's do that to the other eye. Okay, so then I'm gonna take this white shade right here. It's called Milky Way, and I'm just gonna go in the inner corner with it. I already put the liquid eyeshadow like in the inner corner of my eye also, but I like to add this white just to like brighten up this, you know, the inner corner a little bit more. Alrighty, I'm not done with this. Let me find, okay, I'm gonna take an angled brush now, and I'm gonna go in with the darkest shade, which is Devil's Food, and I'm just gonna do like a very, very simple, small wing with the eyeshadow, and I'm gonna like mostly smoke it out. I'm gonna go from my inner corner, just out a little bit, and basically just like smoking out the lash line only, like I'm not doing a crazy winged liner or anything. I'm also going to take the shade right next to it called Love Chip and use that as kind of like a transition, like blending shade. Okay, then I'm going to take the same Devil's Food and Love Chip combination and do like an inner corner moment. All right, we are almost done. Sorry if that cut out. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational, and now I'm going to put it on my eyelashes. I love this mascara. I've been using it literally since like high school, but in high school I used to like pack on 2 to 3 different types of mascara, and my eyelashes would just be so like spidery. This is what we got going on so far, and I think I'm gonna do just like a really simple lip. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with this combo right now that I've really been loving. So I'm gonna line my lips with the NYX Professional lip liner in a all right, now for the little moisture stick. Alright, now I'm going to top that off with a little bit of lip gloss. This is Chanel lip gloss from Chanel, obviously. It says Glass Volume Pumping Lip Gloss. It was a clear lip gloss, but not anymore. Okay, now I'm gonna go take out my hair, get my clothes on, and I will be back with a finished look. All right, y'all, here is the final look, and I'll give you my outfit details. My earrings are from an Etsy shop. My necklace is thrifted. My ring is from my fiance. My dress is from my fiance's mother. And I'm just gonna wear little white sandals from Shein. Oh, and this little bag. Okay, y'all, I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you would like to. All my social media is down below. And thank you so much for watching. Bye!